I love seeing you guys. It's your instructor Zaina Ramsey with EHAS. Industrial robots are reshaping industries like automotive, electronics, and aerospace. They automate tasks such as assembly, welding, and inspection, boosting productivity and safety. Discover how these robots have revolutionized manufacturing processes. Industrial robots are programmable, accurate, and durable. They offer flexibility with different end effectors for various tasks. Integration with existing systems enhances their utility in production lines. Articulated robots mimic human arm movements for complex tasks. SCARA robots excel in high-speed planar movements. Cartesian, cylindrical, delta, and collaborative robots each have unique advantages. Robots perform welding, material handling, and assembly with precision. They enhance painting, machine tending, and quality inspection processes. Packaging and logistics benefit from robotic efficiency and accuracy. Motion control ensures precise movements with servo motors and path planning. Programming interfaces like teach pendants and offline software streamline operations. Advanced techniques like machine vision and AI enhance robot capabilities. Safety measures include fencing, sensors, and emergency systems. Collaborative robots offer safe human interaction with built-in safety features. Explore how safety is a critical aspect of industrial robotics. Robots increase productivity, improve quality, and enhance safety. High initial costs and programming complexity pose challenges. Addressing workforce impact through retraining and reskilling is crucial. AI and machine learning are making robots smarter and more adaptable. Human-robot collaboration is on the rise with the growth of cobots. Integration with IoT and Industry 4.0 is shaping the future of manufacturing. See you again soon.